Hello and welcome to Grantham Caravans. My name's Brian, I'm part of the sales team here at Grantham. You can contact us on 01476 560 599. So just about to take you on a short walk around tour of a Sprite Super Major 4 SB 2021. A brand new model for 2021 for Swift on a single axle, 8 foot wide, transverse island bed, rear bathroom. So here is a good look at that particular caravan. You can really see that 8 foot wideness in the caravan. Nice, generous sized front locker box there. Space for two 6 kg gas bottles. Light items like your step, your electric hookup cable, wheel brace. Just being cautious and careful of nose weight. The caravan does not come as standard with the ATC trailer control system, but this is something that you can have retrofitted should you feel the need or consideration for it. Coming down the side of the caravan, you've got the Sprite chrome logo, which really offsets it fantastically well. And you can see there shining in the sunlight with the Super Major 4 SB decal on there. You've got a rear access hatch to underneath that transverse island bed, just giving you easy access from outside the caravan or from inside the awning. The caravans don't come fitted as standard with a motor mover, but we've got some fantastic deals and fantastic offers on motor movers, should that be a need or a consideration for you. So stepping inside the caravan, you've got a generous under-counter fridge, a nice large kitchen work surface. This green trim on here is just a protective trim. It's a stainless steel sink. You have a combination oven and grill with 3 gas hob burners in the Sprite range. White locker doors in the kitchen area, moving across to an easy usable height microwave. 2 240 volt sockets there and a little cable drop through to pop your kettle, toaster or items that you may use in the kitchen area. New for 2021 is the Zen wood grain that you see here. So going away from the white throughout the caravan of 2020, which offsets fantastically well against the chosen fabric scheme that you see here with that tartan cushion finish. One of the great things about an 8 foot wide caravan is the floor space. So ample amount of floor space in here, giving you a real good feeling of a home away from home. Generous sized front chest area with short pull out table and also storage both in the chest there and underneath. Front binnacle here, you've got 2 USB points and also a 240 volt socket, but you have also got blanks there should you want to have additional sockets fitted at an additional cost. You've got the Swift Command Centre located above the habitation door there with built-in digital DAB radio, the ability to control your caravan via the app via Bluetooth whilst in it, and also at a distance through Swift Command. This caravan benefits from the Truma blown air heating system, which is the control panel on the right hand side you see there, with the vents dotted throughout the caravan there and through to the bedroom area. Your television point for this caravan is just this side binnacle here, where you see the point on the side there, with a nice shelf and storage underneath. Stepping into the bedroom area, we've got a concertina blind here that pulls across, clipping in here, giving you some privacy in the bedroom should you need it. A generous sized wardrobe to the right hand side of the bed and also storage underneath. The bed you see here is in a fixed position, so this is the full length of the bed, an ample amount of storage to move around the end of the bed should you need to get to the toilet of an evening. You have a second television point located here in the bedroom area to pop on the side binnacle there, just below a cupboard with vanity mirror. You do have blinds and fly screens throughout the caravan on every single area that you would require it. With the Zen wood grain going above there and the matching tartan headboard and further storage on the left hand side cupboard and underneath. Solid wood bathroom door as we step through to a very generous sized individual shower cubicle. You have a vanity mirror and also the 2-lay bike rack fixings. So you can pop a bike rack on the back of this at an additional cost should you need it. Thetford toilet with a further shelf there and a mini Hecky light and storage underneath the vanity sink. So that gives you a real good feeling, a good understanding for what this Sprite Super Major 4 SB 2021 has to offer. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to contact our dedicated sales team and they'll be more than happy to discuss it with you. I hope you've enjoyed the walk round tour and we hope we can do business together. Thanks very much. Bye-bye now.